Morning, guys. We're on our way to our airport, and we're currently just setting up the car
Apparently.
because the drive's gonna take about 42 minutes. So we just got here at Lincoln Airport, and I think it's going to be a busy flight because the parking is full and it's really freezing. Also, it's half term. I don't know what that means. Apparently, it's like when kids go on a holiday. Oh, for half term, yeah. So our flight leaves at what time does our flight leave? Quarter to 12. That's 11:45. It's 1 degree. We're flying with EasyJet. It's our first travel for 2025. Paris, France. So we made it to the airport, and okay, first round of business, of course, is coffee. I've always been in a love and hate relationship with airports. I do love traveling, but I just don't want the process of traveling itself. You know, boarding gates, queuing in line, waiting for hours. I'm gonna stop right here because I don't want to be complaining at the start of this vlog because it's supposed to be a good day. This airport is kind of busy. Maybe it's because of the kids having holiday break. Actually, vlogging in public is always a struggle, but doing it more often, doing it until it becomes a habit is really a great way to start. Because when I started, I would not be able to do this. But right now, I'm in a coffee shop talking in front of my camera, and I don't even care what anyone thinks. This coffee's actually good. I'm also excited to go to Paris. It's my first time. I'm gonna see the Eiffel Tower, Parkwell, the Seine River, or I don't know how you say it. I'm gonna try an authentic macaroon for a baguette and a croissant. Okay, so I do have some time still. Might as well use it to edit some footage. So I can take a load off my back since I have a lot of videos that I need to edit. And okay, let's just find a spot. Okay, so I do wish that I brought a tripod because I don't have any luggage with me. Might be a good placeholder for a camera when you're like doing some different angle shots for your scene. It's almost 11 and we'll be boarding the gates. I don't even know where to go when we get to Paris. Like we don't have a proper itinerary, but I guess that's part of the fun. Just not knowing where you're going to and just being adventurous about it. Although I'm kind of scared because I'm gonna be riding train. I don't even speak French. That makes sense. I'm excited to try the croissant and their macaroons, the legit ones. We made it to Paris. It was such a lovely flight. I was able to take my nap because last night I was able to. Because last night I slept around 2 a.m. editing the packing video, which I hope is uploaded by the time I'm recording this. And we are going to take the metro, go to our hotel. So we just need to get our baggage and we'll be off to our hotel.
It's gonna be heavy. I'm going to go to the loop.
Alright. We just made it in Paris. I think it's gonna be a sunny day. So I think I need to get my sunglasses out. And we're just waiting for our luggage so we can go we can go to our hotel, which is in this Ibis Hotel, and we're gonna take the train. I think this one's gonna be challenging because everything's in French and I don't even know how to speak the language, but I am using City Mapper, so hopefully we'll get there fine. Right. Fortunately, my bag came broken. So yeah, one of the wheels came off. Look.
and we went to the baggage service to complain, and they said everything is done online and we'll just go back to our hotel and sort it out. And I hope they give us our, they give us a new bag.
And progress, investing with purpose.
One of the biggest functions of the Doge team is just making sure that the presidential executive orders are actually carried out.
Morning, this is day 2 of my Paris trip, and we just finished breakfast, and the goal for today is to go to the Louvre, Eiffel Tower, Seine River, and the other landmarks I can think of. I think it's Arc de Triomphe, and the weather is kind of cloudy today, but we'll make it work. This is what I'm wearing. Just a hoodie, shirt, and some trousers. By the way, we're staying at Ibis Hotel. This is quite a cute room for light packing travelers like me.
And this one as well, please.
I've seen Paris through movies and postcards my whole life. The car chases along the Seine, lovers meeting under the Eiffel Tower, or some dramatic scene where someone's always running in the rain. It always felt so far away, like a place meant for other people. But now, I'm here, and it's different when it's real. Visiting France has always been on my bucket list. Maybe it's the language, the way everything sounds softer in French. Or maybe it's simpler than that. The pastries, the street cafes, the idea of sitting outside and letting the world pass by. I always imagine myself having breakfast, or maybe a slow afternoon siesta, watching strangers go about their day. And now, all these little things I dreamed about, they're right in front of me.
Lay your hands upon me, all of me. Say you will forever come to me. Remedy, sanity. Lay your spark upon me, all of me. Say you will forever come to me.
It's funny because you grow up seeing these places on the screen, framed perfectly, soundtracked by an accordion, and somehow you convince yourself that being here will feel just like that. But when you're actually standing on the streets, it hits different. It's messier, louder, but it's real. And there's something beautiful about that. Maybe being here isn't just about crossing something off a list. Maybe it's about proving to yourself that some dreams, no matter how small, are worth chasing.